MPS Primary Montessori encourages students to explore and discover. Children learn in mixed-age classrooms of 3 to 6-year-olds. Certified Montessori teachers act as loving guides, enabling and encouraging children so they may find and follow their passion and interests. Practicing life skills and learning through movement supports cognitive, social, and emotional development. Hands-on activities develop coordination and control. Because young children learn naturally through their senses, Montessori prepared classrooms offer materials that provide rich sensory experiences. Montessori materials are specially designed to support all ages. A sorting tool for young children illustrates complex math concepts for older students. Dr. Maria Montessori saw that children absorb language from their environment. At the primary level, students learn letter sounds, combine sounds into words, and form complete sentences. Primary Montessori is designed as the foundation for all learning and teaches appreciation for individuals and cultures. Young children gain skills to explore the larger world and grasp concepts in art, biology, geography, history, language, mathematics, music, and science.
Discover